Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change your personal phone number on Taobao. Now, this is a bit tricky, but stay with me. Okay, so all you need to do is sign in your Taobao account. And after that, you need to click on My Taobao here up top, like so. This pop-up will appear. And now that you are in your My Taobao, all you need to do is click Edit Information here on your profile icon, like so. Another pop-up will appear. And here, what you want to do is click on Personal Transaction. So once you click on that, you're going to be brought to this page, and you can change your landline or your area code telephone number here near the very bottom. At the same time, you can also change your name, your gender, your birth date, your personal location, pretty much your address, right? So basically, this is where you're going to fill in your landline and change your phone number. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.